Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to split the screen on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First step, you need to open the app you want to use in split screen mode, okay? You open the app and then you need to exit the app. Hold on a second, I'm gonna open google.com here, okay? I'm gonna scroll down and accept everything. Anyway, we've exited the app. Now you need to tap this button here on the left side, and all the apps running in the background will show up. You're gonna press and hold the apps icon. Hold on a second. Something went wrong. I'll do it again. You're gonna tap here, and now tap on press and hold the app icon. I don't know what happened. Okay, it wasn't about pressing and holding the app icon. You just need to tap here, okay? You'll select this option, and after selecting it, you can look for other apps by tapping here and then choose the other app you want to use in split screen. I'll select, for example, YouTube. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna tap here, allow, okay. By holding your finger in the middle, you can make one screen smaller and the other bigger, as you can see. So by double tapping here in the middle twice, you can swap the screens by tapping these arrows. And to close the split screen, you can tap here, drag your finger up, and it will close the split screen for the apps. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped, don't forget to like, leave your comment down below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.